Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Telegram code SMS problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off you open up Telegram and tap on start messaging. Select your country and enter your phone number. Tap on this icon. Tap on this icon. You can see that waiting for code but not received. Okay, let's go. It was fixed. Now go to your setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps and search here Telegram. Tap on this icon. Scroll down here and tap on storage. You can see that clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear data. Okay, go back. Tap on permission. Tap on this camera. Tap on this icon. Allow only while using the app. Tap on allow notification. Tap on allow. Okay, now go to your Play Store. Tap on Play Store and search here Telegram. Your Telegram apps is already updated. Now go to your power button and reboot your phone and log in your account, and go to your Telegram app and your phone number. Now your Telegram problem is successfully